If you're machine learning or data science engineer, these 7 most important machine learning model or algorithm you should know. Number 1. Neural network. Number 2. Support vector machine. Number 3. Decision tree. Number 4. Random forest. Number 5. Nearest neighbor. Number 6. Linear regression. Number 7. Logistic regression. Let's see one by one. What is neural network machine learning model? A neural network is a type of machine learning algorithm that is inspired by the structure and function of the human brain, and consists of interconnected processing nodes that are organized into layers. What is support vector machines, machine learning algorithm? Support vector machines, SVMs, are a type of machine learning algorithm that is used for classification and regression tasks, and finds the hyperplane that maximally separates the classes in the data. What is decision tree, machine learning algorithm? A decision tree is a type of machine learning algorithm that uses a tree-like model to make predictions based on the relationships between the features in a dataset. It works by dividing the data into smaller and smaller groups based on the values of the features, until it reaches a decision about the target variable for each group. What is random forest machine learning algorithm? A random forest is a type of ensemble learning algorithm that trains multiple decision trees on random subsets of the data and then combines their predictions to make a final prediction. This can improve the performance of the model compared to using a single decision tree. What is nearest neighbor machine learning algorithm? Nearest neighbor is a type of machine learning algorithm that makes predictions for a sample by finding the most similar samples in the training data and using their labels to make a prediction. What is linear regression machine learning algorithm? Linear regression is a type of machine learning algorithm that is used to model the linear relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. It works by fitting a straight line, or hyperplane in higher dimensions, to the data that minimizes the distance between the points and the line. This line can then be used to make predictions on new data. What is logistic regression machine learning algorithm? Logistic regression is a type of machine learning algorithm that is used for classification tasks, and models the probability that a sample belongs to a certain class using a logistic function.